Assalamu alaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to our new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to add border to a specific page in Word. Let's get started. At first, we have to open a Word document. Then we create some page in this document. Press Ctrl Enter on your keyboard. Then zoom out this document to see the all page. Now we can see here many pages inserted. We insert or add border to a specific page, click the first page and go to the layout menu. Then click breaks option and choose next page. Then again apply this process in another page. Now I click a page and go to the design menu. Then click page border option and select box. Then choose a border. You can change this border color or border white. Then press this section in apply to drop down menu. Then click OK. Now we can see we add border in a specific page very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.